Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video before I head out the door. So I would say like a few weeks ago, I ended up going to Dhgate. Like, I'd never purchased anything from Dhgate before, and I wanted to try out some of their like luxury handbags. Like, I literally want to see how they look in person, so I'm gonna review them today. All right, so this is the first purse that I purchased on Dhgate, y'all. I just can't believe this. Like, look at the box. Like, of course, you know, if you're getting like a real deal designer bag, it's not gonna have like all these stickers on there. And this is like the box that it came in right here. And look, I'm gonna open this for you all. I don't know if I'm gonna try. So it comes with all of like the packaging, and it comes with like these purchase receipts from like Hong Kong. And then it comes in this other package right here, y'all. Like, I opened this already and it looks really, really good. Like, the quality, y'all, is bomb. So as you can see, it's like this soft leather. I think the structure and the quality of the bag altogether is actually pretty good. And it comes with like this long strap that's pretty similar to the real Louis Vuitton bag. So I think this is good, y'all. So I think it was literally only about $50 or $60 for this. But okay, now we're going over to the second bag. So the second bag came in a package like this, and so now we're going to undo it, and you kind of have like this duster with tape on it. And this bag, y'all, absolutely cute. It's like a two-tone color, and I still have like the little paper on here, so we're gonna take that off so you can see the structure of that. But it's actually fairly cute, and it comes with this kind of like chain here. And we're gonna open it up because on the inside it kind of has like all of the keys for like the chain. Okay, so I wanted to show you all this again. I don't know what my phone was doing, but it has like the keys for the lock, and I wanted to show you what it looked like on the inside. And very, very impressed about this purchase. And the zipper works pretty good as well.